So far, we've been loading each daily forecast into a single scrolling text view. This is easy, but it doesn't allow us to create the kind of formatting we need for the final version of Sunshine. In the final version of Sunshine, the main user interface contains a list of mostly similar items. Rather than being a single text field, each list item is made up of a series of views for each image and text block, allowing us to make a rich experience containing different font sizes and images. Even though only this region of the list is viewable, our code has to create and lay out and populate all of the off-screen views as well. In addition, any images that are displayed have to be loaded into memory. This is reasonable for some small lists with minimal formatting, but for large lists it becomes impractical. For each item in the list, we would have to handle interactions, such as assigning on-click handlers. All of this setup time turns into delay that the user experiences before they are able to see anything. Even worse, since all of these items and any images they are displaying are in memory at once, it can cause the app to run out of memory. We need another way.